You chose not to do that. You said to me, it's been a while since I've made even the interest payments. So I can understand it why your sister says at this point, I have to do something because I'm going to be out this money. Now you say she's got plenty of money and we shouldn't have, she's got plenty of money. Is that your business? That's not your business whether she's got plenty of money. You're not her child.
That's right, I'm not.
You're absolutely right. You're not her child. You're not her child.
That's right.
And she could be the kind of person that says, listen, my sister's been going through a bad time. I have more than she does. I'm going to forgive this loan. She chooses not to do that.
That's right. And I should have just went to a bank because that's what I'm dealing with. I'm not even dealing with somebody human.
If you went with a, let me tell you something, madam.
This is not human. This is not family.
I want you to be quiet. If you went to a bank, you wouldn't have your nice car.
যেটা পায়ে দিলে নষ্ট হয়ে যাওয়ার সম্ভাবনা থাকতে পারে, ঠিক আছে, অনেক বেশি দাম, ঠিক আছে, লাক্সারিয়াস প্রোডাক্ট যেটা নায়ক নায়িকারাও পড়তে চাইবে না, চিন্তা করবে যে এত টাকার প্রোডাক্ট আমি সুতাতে সাজিয়ে রাখি আর মাঝে মধ্যে যখন বাইরে মাথায় করে নিয়ে বেরিয়ে এটা সোনার জুতা, অনেক দামি জুতা।